true indigenous people of Africa.
Thank you.
Produced the first democracy in the world called the Gaddafi system. If you are the ones who are the holders of power, then why do you allow your power to be given away? If you are the ones who produced Lucy, who is the mother of all humanity, don't you realize that if the Oromo fail, all humanity fails? We are all inextricably bound. As Dr. King once said, whatever affects one directly affects all indirectly. And if the Oromo goes down, all humanity goes down. So we have to band and we have to join together. I say that to you, the Oromo people, because we as African Americans are desperately in need of leadership. Humanity is desperately in need of leadership. But the Oromo are the holders of the leaders for all humanity, because it was your woman, Lucy, the oldest of all humanity, who gave birth to humanity. So the Oromo people, the holders of the Gaddafi system, stand up and be firm. Stand up and be firm. You have revolutionaries, you have leaders, we are united with you. As Kwame Nkrumah once said, our goal is one.
Thank you.